Welcome children in bio class. Children, I am going to teach you meiosis cell division. You have to know what is meiosis. A kind of cell division that produces the sex cells or gametes is called meiosis. During the meiosis division, sex cells or gametes are produced, male gametes and female gametes. This type of division occurs in reproductive organs. Male reproductive organ is testis and female reproductive organs ovary. In human beings, male gamete sperms are produced in testis, female gametes ova are produced in ovary. In flowering plants, meiosis division occurs in anthers and ovary. In the anther, after meiosis division, pollen grains are produced. In the ovary, after meiosis division, ovules are produced. So, meiosis division occurs in reproductive cells. The reproductive cells are present in the reproductive organs. In human being, reproductive organs are testes and ovary. Testes are in male and ovary in female. In flowering plant, reproductive cells are present in anther and ovary. Pollen grains are produced by meiosis division in anther. Ovules are produced in ovary. After the fusion of two gametes, zygote is formed. So zygote develops into new individual. Meiosis division occurs in two successive division. Mitosis is only one division, but meiosis division is in two division. First is meiosis 1 and second is meiosis 2. So there are two division. One is meiosis 1, other is meiosis 2. During meiosis 1, the homologous chromosomes form pairs and exchange their chromosomal segments. See, this is called recombination. So in this way, there is exchange of chromosomal segment. Exchange of chromosomal segment by breaking, rejoining is known as crossing over. So this crossing over occurs in meiosis 1. Each daughter cells has half number of chromosomes. So after the meiosis 1, two daughter cells are produced, and here both daughter cells are having number of chromosomes half of the parent cell. The chromosomes which are present in the parent cell, half of that chromosomes are having the daughter cells which are produced by meiosis 1. And during meiosis 1, their new combination of genes is by breaking, rejoining, exchange of chromosomal segment. So breaking, rejoining, exchange of chromosomal segment is called crossing over. That occurs during meiosis 1. In meiosis 1, this process is taking place. Now next is meiosis 2. In the meiosis 2, the daughter cells which are produced in meiosis 1, that cells without entering in the resting phase interface, they are going to divide. So this division is like the mitotic division. Each cell will divide into two daughter cells. Each daughter cells having the same number of chromosomes. So thus, four daughter cells are formed, and these four daughter cells are produced from this one parent. This is the parent cell, and from this parent cell, now these four daughter cells are produced. These four daughter cells are having the number of chromosomes half of the parent cell. So these are the four daughter cells. These daughter cells are having the number of chromosomes half of the parent cell. Therefore, these cells are known as haploid cells. So what is the significance of meiosis? Meiosis produces gametes. Gametes are the sex cells with new gene combination. So they play important role in sexual reproduction. Second is meiosis produce haploid gametes. So after the fertilization, they can restore the diploid number of chromosomes, diploid set of the chromosomes. Meiosis, during the meiosis, there is crossing over. New combination of genes are produced. So that is responsible for genetic variation. During the meiosis, there is segregation of the chromosomes. Four chromatids of homologous pairs of chromosomes separate and pass into the four different cells. So therefore, in the meiosis division, four daughter cells are produced. These daughter cells are genetically different from one another.